A Supreme Court trial has started for two men accused of murdering a prominent motorsport identity in Alice Springs. Edward Hargrave died of stab wounds in April 2009.
It's 2 years since Edward Hargrave was found dead outside public housing flats in Alice Springs. In court today, the prosecution said Mr Hargrave was fatally stabbed by Graham Woods with a kitchen knife during a fight. The prosecution is also arguing that Julian Williams encouraged Woods to assault Mr Hargrave and that Williams hit Mr Hargrave with a metal pole after he was stabbed. Both have pleaded not guilty to murder. Edward Hargrave was well known around Alice Springs for riding in the Finke Desert Race. Late last year, the trial was postponed after lawyers for the pair questioned the Territory's jury selection process. The full bench of the Supreme Court heard that when the jury list was prepared, more than 25% of people were disqualified because they had criminal convictions. Defence lawyers issued a challenge to the Juries Act and the Racial Discrimination Act, arguing the Northern Territory Sheriff made errors and that the Act is disqualifying a disproportionate amount of Aboriginal people. The challenge wasn't upheld, but the jury was quashed and a new one had to be selected. Today, 30 people were excused from the jury pool. More than 20 of them said they had connections with either Mr Hargrave, Woods, Williams, witnesses or lawyers. More than 30 witnesses are expected to give evidence, including friends and family of Mr Hargrave and the accused, and more than a dozen police. A jury has been impanelled for the trial, which is expected to take up to 3 weeks. Amy Marshall, ABC News, Alice Springs.